Hello everyone, Jesse Webb, TradersPro. Market conditions remaining bullish in a bull market. Overall uptrend continuing here. We're working on this momentum now, increasing towards the upper end of that range. That is just warrant for a little caution here at these levels where we could start to see a pullback. Breadth is still positive, but we are seeing this overall upside. The biggest issue with that upside is at what point does it become unsustainable, and as we continue to move higher and higher and higher, this is the chart of the S&P 500. At what point do we need another pause, at least a retracement like I talked about yesterday? We're in this upper end of this range and starting to see that. So we could still continue to see some overall upside, as you know, the overall uptrend is very, very solid, very, very bullish at this point. We just are getting to the upper end of this range. All that simply means is be a little more cautious on position sizing, the number of positions being taken on, and even potentially waiting for a little bit better opportunity on a pullback. Now this is the market as a whole. Individual stocks are going to be different. In fact, let's take a look to see some of these individual stocks that we've got in the new buy list today. CABA, really nice looking stock pattern here. This is it's been a high flyer. It's a BioMed stock and was up 12% yesterday, working on a potential breakout. That's a nice looking stock. Let's go out to 1 year and see what that looks like. So you can see the overall move from $2 up to $12, $13 just within that one trend. Pretty decent retracement back to the 50% range, and then some volatility here. But we are seeing, you know, this higher low move and higher high move. So potential breakout here. This could be a really nice stock to keep an eye on over the next few days. And let's see what we've got here for the rest of the stocks. YPF, an oil stock, another nice pattern. In that buy zone, looking for a potential breakout here. So we've got an oil stock, a BioMed stock, retail stock here for number 3. A very similar pattern, a retracement back up into the buy zone, solid confirmation bar with a chance for an attempted breakout. Breakouts are working right now, so keep an eye on some of these and see if we get some follow through. BWMN, also a good solid confirmation bar. This is the pattern that I like to see. I've mentioned this multiple times on a retracement. When this resistance area now becomes support, start to move, and then you get a confirmation bar off of that location. So BWMN, nice looking setup there as well. Business service stock, semiconductors, NVTS, $10 stock. Nice pullback here into support as well, with a little bit of a hammer. Bottoming tail bar you can see on that candlestick that's right there. If I just zoom into that just a little bit, go into that 3-month time frame, and even switch this over to just regular candlesticks, you can see that bottoming tail bar pattern. That can be a good confirmation move, especially at a support area where it's opened, it's sold off, it's found support, and then it rallied back up to the upper side of that. Now it's got some resistance here. Again, most of these stocks we just looked at look like potential breakout candidates, and so they could run into some resistance here, or they could break out and give us additional confirmation, as I said. That'll do it for today's update. Everyone have a fantastic day today.